So we have another way to create dynamic page in Java. That is JSP. JSP is Java Server Pages. So we can perform each and every operation like Servlet, but that is the extension of Servlet, and it is very easy compared to Servlet because it's work on the basis of tag like HTML. I'm searching for presentation. Okay. So JSP is a Java server page. If you want to develop a dynamic page, so we can also use JSP. JSP is the extension of servlets, and it also provides a more flexible compared to servlet. It is very fast compared to servlet, and it is very easy because it's like as a HTML. It also uses tag like it's HTML. So if you don't know about JSP, you can create a JSP page. If you have not made the knowledge of Java, if you know HTML, you can create the JSP page because JSP server, JSP support all tags of HTML. So you can use HTML tag in JSP and you can create JSP page. Okay. But we have not need to recompile, redeployment JSP page. Okay, but we have not create a different folder just like servlet and we can install in different place. Actually, all pages of JSP pages we can and say at the place of static pages. So for security purpose, servlet is better than JSP. So as a controller, we use servlet, and for the front end programming, we use JSP. But we can perform each and every operation of front and back end in JSP. But security purpose, we prefer servlet because JSP shows we can save the JSP page on with static pages. We cannot save like servlet. So we can perform each and every operation with the help of JSP. But JSP for security purpose, we use servlet as a controller, and front end we use JSP. So here JSP technology is used to create web application just like servlet technology. It can be thought of an extension of servlet because it provides more functionality than servlet, such as expression language JSTL. So actually JSP work like as a servlet, but it also provides us more tag. It support all tags of it supports all tags of HTML, but it also provides different types of tags, additional tags like expression language, like JSTL, like scriptlet, scripting tag, action tag. So different types of additional tag is also provided. JSP. But we can also use all tag of HTML. Okay. Hello. Advantage of JSP over Servlet. Hello. That is the extension of Servlet. That is easy to maintain because here we not need to write the code like just as a Servlet. So it is very easy and easy to maintain. And fast development, we don't need to recompile or redeployment and lesser code compared to Servlet. Life cycle of JC page. Actually, our server only knows about Servlet. Server don't know about JSP page. So if you want to create a JSP page, so must be converted in Servlet. After that, we can execute that Servlet page. Okay. So actually, that is extension of JSP page. And web server and application servers know only the Servlet. So if you want to use JSP, to first of all, translate of JSP page. So first of all, we will translate the JSP page in Servlet page. Okay. After that, compilation of JSP page. After conversion of in Servlet page, we can compile the JSP page. After compilation, it will generate class file. So, and third step, class file will load in the memory. After that, instantiation means object will create. After initialization, for initialization in Servlet, we use init method. Here, we use JSP init method, and request processing, we use service method in Servlet, but here JSP service method is used for processing and try method. Uh, and after that, execute try means try JSP try will be executed at the place of try, like as a Servlet page. Okay, so this is the life cycle of JSP page. Creating a simple JSP page. So if you want to create it, a simple JSP page, it's very simple because JSP page also support HTML tag. So just we can start the writing just like HTML body. After that, we can out.print 2.5. It will show the value 10. That is the output on your it show on your browser. So okay, and here percentage angular bracket and percentage. It is also called scriptlet tag. Okay, so scriptlet, this is called scriptlet tag. Hello,
अबे सुन रहे हैं सारे हेलो
hello, hello. Please mute yourself.
वो भी चेक कर रहे थे भाग तो नहीं गए सारे
So here, if you want to write the Java code for this purpose, JSP provide us a tag that's called scriptlet tag. So this is a scriptlet tag, angular bracket and percentage sign. Within these brackets, we can write within this tag we can write the all code like core Java or Servlet. Okay, that is a scriptlet tag. And how to run a JSP page? Simple JSP, just like Servlet. This is a
तेजस बस तेरे को भैया ने ना होमवर्क दिया उन्होंने बोला 10 से 12 बैठ जाए रात को और वो भेज दे उनको तब तो सो जाएगी और सुबह उठेगा तब तक तो नया लौट दे देंगे 2 घंटे का क्या बोले
local host. It returns the IP address of your
क्या बोले
server, port number of server, and this is a context with of your application name and JSP page. You can write this URL on your address bar and you can execute your JSP page. It's also it cannot execute without the server. So first of all, start the server, and after deployment, you can type this URL and you can execute your website. And the JSP API. So there are two packages like Java X.Servlet and Java X.Servlet.jsp. These packages contain the all classes and interfaces of JSP page. Java Servlet pages has JSP tag, JSP pages, and JSP tag. These are the classes and interfaces, two classes and two interfaces. JSP page and HTTP JSP page. And here, these are the classes: JSP writer, page context, JSP factory, JSP engine info, JSP exception, JSP error. Today is January 19th. Yeah. FTS is this month. They're playing the FTS rule. And he bought it. Let's see what's going to happen. Who's Marvel going to pick? Who's Sarah going to pick? I think Marvel will be like 5 months. Zuban, please. Zuban, Jyoti, please mute yourself. What are you doing? Are you not hearing this type of noise? So now we are going to create a JSP page. Okay. So now we are going to create a dynamic project. Here type dynamic web project, click on dynamic web project. After that, you can specify the name of project. So this is JSP project. If you want to develop any JSP page, it will create in web content folder where we store our static pages. Click on new, then click on others. Type here JSP page. Here you can see JSP file. Click JSP file. Click on next. Here we can specify the name of your first file. Click next and finish. Okay. After that, here you can see this. This is the all HTML page. HTML here you can see this. This is a tag of that's also called page directory tag. Others remaining part of this page you can see these are the all tags of HTML. Okay, so it's showing error. To first of all connect with server. Click on build path. Click on then configure build path. Here click libraries. Then click on add external jar. Here select Servlet API. Click apply and close. Error has removed. After that, suppose we want to show anything like H1, welcome to JSP page, save this file and run on server. Okay, then click on next, JSP, wave 1, click on finish. Okay, okay, you can see the welcome to JSP page. Now we can create, suppose here, form action. So here suppose login.jsp. At the time of servlet, we have not need to specify the JSP or class file, anything, because server knows about the servlet. But if you want to use, you want to transfer any values to JSP page, must be specified here the tag, the extension of your JSP page. Okay, after that, username. Okay, username, password, and we are transferring these values in JSP login.jsp. So we will create another page, another JSP page, new login. In this name of that page is login. Finish. Okay, and here is the script lag tag. Okay, so here we can show anything like out.print 10 into 2.5. Suppose this. We want to execute this. Okay, so here we can input any values. Is it 20.55? So here you can see this. This is JSP page. It's work in front end. But this here we are transferring these values in another JSP page, login.jsp page here. Okay. So This is called scriptlet tag. Actually, JC page, JSP provide us some scripting tag. First is a scriptlet tag. Second is a expression tag. Third is a declaration tag. Okay, this is a scriptlet tag. If you want to write any code within this tag, we can write any Java code. Okay. Second is a expression tag. Here we can write the expression. Like suppose we want to print anything. So here only type here welcome. It will print. We have not need to write out dot print like this. Okay. And declaration tag. If you want to declare any variable, if you want to declare any function, so we use declaration tag like this. This is a declaration tag. Okay. If you want to declare any variable or function, and it also provides some directives. Page directives, page directives like it represents whole page. If you want to apply anything on the whole page, any operation we want to perform on the whole page, so we use page directive. You can see here is the directive page. Like language, like content type, page encoding. These are the attributes of directive page, and it also add at the rate. And second is a include directive. If we want to add the content of any other page, in JSP page, we use include. Okay, and it works at the time of translation. It will include the content of that page at the time of translation. And third is a tag lib directive. If you want to add any additional tag lib directory, so we use tag lib, tag lib directory. Okay, like JSTL. If you want to work on JSTL, if you want to use a Spring tag, so we use tag lib directory. Third is a action element. Action element means actually in servlet we have need to create the object of some interfaces like request, response, HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response, and content type. There are multiple object, but we have created in servlet. But here JSP provide already created object like request, response, out. If you want to print anything, we use out. At the page at the place of session, it's called session. HTTP session. We use session. Page, page context, exception, and there are two and total 9 elements. It provides action element, exception, page context, page session, out, response, request, and two another. I will see here presentation. Scriptlet tag, this is scriptlet tag, expression tag, declaration tag, outer print, expression tag, and implicit object like out, response, request, config, application, config and application, session, context, page context, page and exception. These are the 9 implicit objects. So here you can see this expression is scriptlet tag. Between this we can write the Java code. Okay, like out.println. And if you want to use expression tag, here you can see you can print. We have not need to out, we can directly print this one through the expression tag. Declaration tag, we can declare the any variable or function with the help of declaration tag. And 9 implicit object like out, request, response, config, application, session, page context, page and exception. And page directory include directory and tag directory. We can also use and exception handling. So one by one we will learn these things. Okay. So actually I want to say that this is a page directory. If you want to apply anything on the whole page, we use page directory. So here, out is a implicit object that's already provided by JSP. So we can directly like it out dot print. Print is a function of out. We have already used in Servlet, and after that we can perform anything. If you want to perform any calculation or if you want to print anything, you can use this. If you want to get the value from front end like this, suppose here username or password we are transferring from the front end. So we can get these values in this page. Okay, so for this purpose, we have already a object name is request. Request dot get parameter like name, and here we can type here like string USR is equal to this. Same as we can get the other value means password values. CSS, VWD. Okay, after that we want to print this. So here request is already we have this object. We have not need to use HTTP servlet request or HTTP servlet request. We can directly use this request or response. Okay, so here suppose we want to print username plus USR same as SS password. Okay, we are going to execute this. So here you can sign in. You can this username and password. If you want to show a separate line, then we can use here PR. After that, if you want to perform any operation, these values, we can do this. Suppose okay, you want to check it. Suppose USR dot equals admin and PSS dot equals admin at the rate 123. Okay, if condition is true, it will show welcome. And if you want to show in any tag, any heading, so we can use this. Fine. Okay, so here, here we are getting the value in. So here you can see this in index page. We are transferring the values, and in login.jsp, we can receive the values. So string USR is equal to request.get parameter, and okay, now I'm going to execute this. Yes. But able to compile class for that error. Okay, there is a my mistake. Completed the code. Else, also print it. Correct username, password. Now I'm going to execute this. So for this purpose, and input anything. Sign in, incorrect user and password. Here we will input admin and password admin at z123, click on sign in. It will show admin at z123. If you want to use CSS, also possible. Style is equal to color, same as we can use here. Admin 1 2 3 4 5. Click on sign in. Incorrect username or password. We have input admin at the rate 1 2 3. Okay, it's one. That is a simple example of subnet pages. Okay, so through this page we can transfer the values, and login.jsp we can get the values which transfer from the front end. Okay, after that we can perform as per our requirement. Okay, and this is a page directory. We have also a now we are going to execute some actually include directory. Suppose we want to include directory, so it's also possible. Include directory and tag lib directory. So suppose we have first of all, this is the example of scriptlet tag. Here, this is scriptlet tag. Within the scriptlet tag, we can write the code just as like servlet. Okay, but we have another tag also like expression tag. So this is the expression tag equal. Suppose here just welcome. Let's see here. Okay, that is the welcome. Same as suppose we want to perform directive tag. In directive tag, we can declare any values. Declaration tag. Declaration tag. Suppose here int 4 is equal to 10. We want to print the values. Okay, and easily print the values with the expression tag. In declaration tag, we can declare any variable or functions, and we can execute through the expression tag. Okay, expression tag is also used like suppose we want to show that values same as sorry and suppose we want to show these values. There is a request and USR and PSS. We want to show here, so we can use declare value and perform USR and same as Yes, yes. Okay. I will share at the end of the session. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So here, suppose we want to show the values in same as this format. So we can use expression tag. In JSP, we use expression tag in for different purpose. So I'm going to show this and signing. You can see there's a admin password, and here you can see the same as we can show in the your here, yes, same as your front end. We can show the values. Okay. So for this purpose, we can use expression tag. Okay, and we can also use this is a use of page directory, and for exception, we also use page directory. But currently we are going to use include directory. Suppose we want to include the content of index in this file in login page. It is also possible here. We use percentage dollar include file, and file name is index.jsp. So it will include the content of index file index.jsp in your this current file. Okay, so we can see here. So now I'm going to execute this. Okay, you can see here. Welcome to JSP page, and this is a part of this page GSP. This is index.jsp page. So if you want to add the content of any page uh, in your JSP page, you can use include directory. To the include directory, we can add the content of any page. Okay, uh, and tag lib directly, we use different types of tag library. So at the time of using that tag library, we use that. Okay, and action elements like okay, and mostly we use JC page for MVC. I think we have already discussed about that for MVC, and we have already performed MVC in Servlet. So we can also perform MVC in JSP. So mostly we use JSP in MVC, model view controller. So now we are going to create a MVC page, MVC project. For this purpose, new, create dynamic web project. Here, JSP, JSP MVC, waves one. Next, next, and finish. So here, for controller, we will use Servlet. Servlet. Suppose our servlet name is from dot sample controller. Here, login page. Next, next, get. No problem. First of all, add the server, configure build path, add external jar, servlet API, close. Okay, so error has removed. After that, at the page, Java servlet pages and web content, we can, okay, we can create this page, we can copy this page here, copy this, okay, this is a text page, and we are trying to transfer this value to login servlet. So we have not need to specify the extension. Open servlet here. Okay. Like login page. Okay. Copy this, paste here. Okay. But out, we have need of out. So we have the response dot, what function? Response dot function name, get writer. Okay. And here print writer out is equal to response import. Now we can create another JSP page. So that is a, now I'm going to create bin file, bin page. I think you all are you watching my videos? Anyone?
Yes.
No. So I think private private string. We have already done in last session, but here we are going to write this program in JSP string
Sir, after
password.
this, can we do make a architectural diagram like the like we for front end we are taking these many uh like tech stack we are using for front end is this, and then the
I think we have
compatible
already discussed about this in last sessions.
um, end to end, sir, front end back end from data side,
Yes, yes,
and like
yes.
what DevOps tools we will use like
Yes,
for
yes.
CI
Please
CD pipeline.
watch the videos I've already shared you.
Oh, okay, I will see.
Okay.
Okay, I will check. Thank you.
And here, this is a model. Here we will save the data in the object of this class. So here I'm going to create users obj is equal to new users obj dot set username. We can pass here USR and obj dot set password PSS. After that, we can use this like obj dot get username, and at the place of PSS, you can get the values directly from the object. So get password. Okay. And after that, we can call different pages like success. I'm going to create another page, just page. Name is success. Next and finish. Create another page, error. Another page, login page. So we can save these values in success.jsp. Can use error page. Login.java. Here we can call test. Use dispatcher. Already. equal to request dot get request dispatcher, and here we can specify the page name like success.jsp. We are calling this page. Okay, so we can use this here rd dot forward request and response. And here we can call error.jsp page and rd dot forward request and response. Now execute here we have need the value of USR. So we can call from here because we are using request dispatcher. It will transfer the value of request and response to success. So here we can transfer this value. Now we going to execute this. For this purpose, index.jsp, run this page. Next, remove this and recall. Okay. Okay. Here you can specify anything. Signing 404 login is not available. So we will check here. This page name is login. Here you can see this login is a capital letter. So here let's declare as a capital letter login. Okay. Again, I'm going to try this. Okay, welcome admin password. And if you input any wrong values, so incorrect username or password. Okay. Same as suppose we are going to use this is login. Here we use forward method. At the place of I'm going to use here password dot include. Okay. Again, I'm going to execute this. Admin sign in. You can say incorrect username and password. Suppose we want to show on same page like index.jsp. We want to show this values, error values like this in index.jsp. It is also possible. I'm going to execute it again. index.jsp. This response condition is false. Should be show correct user or password. So here we are calling login, transfer to login, say login, print out, uh, dot get username dot admin, and admin is correct. Success pages, but if condition is false, so it will we show this. Okay, 1 minute. Text.jsp. So again, I'm going to execute this. Admin and admin 123. Click on sign in. It's working, no problem. But suppose this is a wrong values, then correct username password. Let's show the whole page content. So text.jsp dispatcher Servlet. Dispatcher auditor ticket request dispatcher and one text.jsp. Text.jsp and include request.response. It's correct, but error is correct username and password. Get the values. We'll check it. It's working. Okay, well, that. Then I'm going to execute this. Server. Next. So admin, admin 123. It's working, but okay, I will check it. What's the problem with this? Okay, so here now I'm going to do same thing at the place of include. That is a forward. Here use error. Okay, it's working. I will see this why it's not working. I will check it. Okay, so it's very simple here. I'm creating a index page, index.html, index.jsp page, and transferring the. We can write the business logic and presentation logic both in JSP pages. So this is a presentation logic in JSP page. Means it will show on your screen, and we can transfer the values to servlet. Here we receive the values from the JSP page. After that, we can save the values in the object of model class And after that, we can get the value from the middle class and check it. That is equal to admin. And if condition is true, then it will call success.jsp page. Otherwise, if condition is false, then it will call error.jsp page. Okay, so here I have created different JSP page, index.jsp page, success.ps page, and error.jsp page. Okay, any doubt, any queries?
So, in JSP page, we need to create different like for error, for success message, for error message, we need to create different page. I
This is the
mean,
only example. Actually, I'm creating a uh, example of MVC. So here, this is controller.
okay,
Login.jsp is a controller, and users is a model, and JSP we use as a view.
okay,
Okay, so we want to show the values on the views, but we have not need to
okay.
specify the uh, for each and every thing you can create a separate JSP page. It's not necessary. This is the only example. You can only directly you can show the page like here. Suppose this message. Suppose we want to show this message. No problem. We can here
Hmm.
in login page. Sorry, copy of error. This is it. Copy this. Okay, same as we have not need to create a separate page. I'm only trying to show you the example of MVC. And this is a view part. Success. Copy this only. Then perform here. Okay. Now we can execute this. Okay, I'm going to start this. Oh, it's not working. Login. Login page. Dot out dot println. Out dot print. Not working.
Hmm.
We've already done in last example. Correct username, password. So okay, no problem. We have messages. Same thing we use. Get the values and put the all values the object of users. After that, here we have it. Save the values in the session. Call the success page. Same thing. And here we are calling error page. Success is error page. But here I am using JSP page at the place of servlet. These are the servlet. Same thing. Oops. Here this is the error page, success page. Success page and this is the error page. Same thing. But JSP is more easy compared to servlet because here we will write the more code. But JSP is easy compared to this. We use less code, but it's not working. Okay, JSP model view. It was working. First of all, I remove this. Same as you can remove this. JSP dot this and error dot JSP. It's an error page and this is a success page. Again, I'm trying to execute this. working. Okay, it's working. But suppose I want to use same thing. I want to print this message at the place of calling this page. Okay, again, time to execute this. No, it's not working. This is not executing. Out.print. Response dot get writer print writer equal to this print writer. So the print print. Again, it's working. So here H1 welcome plus USR plus H1 again try. It's working. Yeah. Oh, yes, yes. It's full. Suppose. Okay, that's working. So here, suppose we want to use this. Okay. So for this purpose, we can close this and try to execute this line. Put wrong values. Wrong Okay, it's not working. I put again. I'm going to create this. Not using out. Correct username, password. Again, I'm going to execute this. Incorrect username or password. Suppose we want to show. Incorrect username or password is not shown properly. Here it's working. So try again. It's working here. Correct. It's working. It's not correct. It's not working. Okay, it's working. It's working. Incorrect username or password. Okay. Now I'm going to use Sorry, is a servlet. So must be it's right here. HTML body. Not to need in JSP that. We export, export. Again, try to execute this. 1, 2, 3. It's working. Use here. To incorrect username or password. Suppose here I want to use style color blue.
Uh, Hello.
Yes, hello. Yes, hello.
No, I thought you said something.
Oh, style is equal to okay. It's working. Incorrect username or password. Okay. So we can use anyone. We can use. We can call JC page like this, and at the place of page, you can use this. No problem. So as you like, you can use anyone. And so if we want to use request.dispatcher like this, so anyone we can use as you like. I want to use it in text.jsp. And again, I'm trying to use include. Okay, it's working. It's here. Incorrect username. Okay, so if you use include, so it will show the incorrect username and password in same page. Some kind of it's not working, but currently it's working, no problem, because I have used a servlet and must be declared here HTML page. Okay, but it is not required needing the JSP page. So if you use include, so it shows the same message is incorrect in user page on the same page. It will show here. Okay, and if you want to show in another page, you can specify the page name like error.jsp, and here you can use forward. So it will show. call that error page and show that incorrect username password as well. And you can also show in the same page, like without this, you can page display on the same page index.jsp, and you can use Servlet, success.jsp as you like. You can use anyway. Okay. Hello. Anyone is there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Anyone is there?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Okay. So these are the example of JSP page.
Hmm.
Okay. Now I'm going to share this project. Please check it. If you have any
Tomorrow we
doubt.
have start.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. I have
Thank
shared the current project and
you. Okay.
presentation also.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.